Dry coughing with no other symptoms. A dry cough with no other symptoms may very well be just a cough that you should not worry about, because in most cases, it is just our body's way of protecting us. Simple things like increasing fluid intake and taking a rest can help to ease coughing. Drinking water, good hygiene, and letting our homes ventilate often can also reduce our chances of having a dry cough. If you experience a chronic dry cough for more than 3 weeks, and it is accompanied by other symptoms, you should consult your doctor for diagnosis and treatment. For more information, please read our article, Dry Coughing with No Other Symptoms,